Chapter 8, Lesson 6 on slope. Okay, when we talk about slope, slope is the ratio of rise over run. It also talks about the steepness of the line. Okay, ways that we can find slope is we can actually count rise over run. We can refer to that as the vertical change over the horizontal change. And the way that we've talked about it a lot is also the change in y over the change in x. One other important thing to remember is that we always simplify our slope, but we do not ever make it a mixed number or a decimal, but we always simplify it as far as we can. All right, now slopes can be positive, and if they are positive, they might look like this on our graph, and they are going up to the right. Slopes can be negative, and they are going up to the left. Slopes can also have no slope, and they are also sometimes called a zero slope, and that is a horizontal line. Or slopes can be a vertical line, which we call undefined. Okay, the slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M always refers to our slope. Okay? The y1 and y2 and x1, x2 just come from two ordered pairs where we have x1, y1, and then we have another ordered pair that we call x2, y2. Now it doesn't really matter which ordered pair we call x1, y1 and x2, y2, but we have to kind of define them as that. All right, so let's look at an example. If we have negative 4, 3 and 1, 2, we want to find the slope of the line that goes through those 2 points. We say, okay, let's call this one x1 and y1, and let's call this one x2 and y2. So we're going to use our slope formula. So m equals y2, so 2 minus 3 over 1 minus negative 4, which ends up being plus 4. So we have negative 1 over 5. And I need to simplify. We always simplify our slope. And we simplify it and we say, well, one's negative, one's positive, so it's negative 1/5.